How to fix Instagram post stuck on preparing. I'm going to tell you how to fix an Instagram post that gets stuck on preparing. This issue usually happens due to a slow internet connection, app glitches, or large file sizes. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router. If the post is still stuck, force close the Instagram app, then reopen it and try again. If that doesn't work, clear the Instagram cache. On Android, go to Setting, Apps, Instagram's Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, you'll need to delete and reinstall the app to clear its cache. Another fix is reducing the file size. If you're uploading a large video, try compressing it or using a different format. Updating the Instagram app can also help, as older versions may have bugs causing upload issues.